respected Tala Tala, the chiefs and the Vanua, government officials, members of the Naitutu Youth Club, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters. Bula Vinaka and a very good morning to you all. It is a great pleasure for me to be here this morning to officiate on the first anniversary of the Naitutu Youth Club. And I would like to thank you for this invitation. Congratulations and best of luck to your youth club in future. I'm also told that you will also be receiving your youth club registration certificate. So I also congratulate you all and look forward to your participation in our ministerial programs. While we all note and acknowledge that this year has been a difficult year, a year of new norms and great restrictions of how we conduct our lives, and a year in which we have had to rethink our priorities, realize and cater for the fact that every human life is so special and needs to be protected. But the good news is that over 80% of our adults are fully vaccinated. As the saying goes in boxing, this is not the time to let our guard down. For this COVID-19 has shown throughout the world that it can and will take advantage of this and knock us out. We cannot afford that. Therefore, we need to follow whatever COVID-19 safety protocol is in place. Ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters, we are all aware that Fiji has a young population. 70% of our population are below the age of 40. Therefore, it is our collective duty to ensure that our young people are empowered and guided through all available avenues and medium to become good citizens and value what is important in life. That is why we want to hear your views so that we can adjust to meet for your needs for now and in future. That is why it is also important that you are given the right information and opportunities to participate in activities that will foster unity and nation building. But most importantly, today I am very pleased to note that your club members have planted 3,800 Yamuna plants and $4,000. I wish to commend your dedication and hard work. I'm also told that the landowners have given 30 acres of land for you to farm. Can we all put our hands together and thank them for this This morning, I would like to encourage you all to apply for the assistance with the Ministry for Youth and Sports under the Youth Farm Initiative Program. My ministry has reached out to many youth groups across the country by providing materials and means for them to become productive contributors to the national food security. We know that food security has been a global issue and continues to be, regardless of pandemic. My ministry is clear. We are the ministry for all youths, and we want to give hand up that you may need to succeed. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, youth age 15 to 28, as defined by the Common Core of 15 to 35 UN definition, is a period of time in life which finishes as you turn 36 years. This is a very short, interesting, and exciting stage in your life where you are full of energy, vibrant, and very creative. Do make the most of your abilities while you are in this age. For as you turn 36 plus years, you have to hand over the reins to other young people in your communities to take up these leadership roles, dreams that you had started. However, you must also make personal goals for your life on where you want to be, who you want to be with, and how will you get there. There will be obstacles in life, but you must be ready with a plan B or plan C. Be the best in what you do today, as this will impact on you when you become a better citizen of this nation. In fact, I have really admired your vision. Your vision states a better Fiji for all. That is what we are saying. That's what the government's vision is. A better Fiji for all. At this juncture, I wish to congratulate the youth clubs for successfully meeting all the requirements under our programs, and want to wish them the very best in their future endeavors. Thank you, and Vinaka Vakali.
Terus